Hello, so I wanted to jump on and give some examples of real versus ideal culture so that you know where you are headed in this discussion board. So when we're talking about culture, we're talking about shared values, beliefs. We can be talking about norms and rules, customs, language, all these different things. So what I'm asking you today is to think about the different cultures that you belong. So once we've identified, I want you to at least pick, let's say 3. So once we've picked 3, let's see if I can get this to work. Oh, exit drawing. Okay. So let's see here. So I'm going to start by talking about one of the cultures I identify with. And I'm going to talk about the ideal aspect of the culture. So ideal aspect of, I'm going to talk about the mommy culture. I have a young one. She is going to be 4 in March, and I would say that I subscribe to and am a part of the mommy culture. Mommy culture. So ideal aspects. So these are these are like the standards that we want to embrace and live up to. These are the ideal aspects. So ideally, we would see that moms are feeding their children 3 healthy meals and snacks a day. Oh, and don't forget organic. So not only 3 healthy meals, but healthy organic meals a day, right? This is something that is considered sort of the thing to strive for, right? Now, the real aspect of the culture as a mom is that sometimes it's just about feeding our kids, right? So the real aspect of this could be feeding kids what we have access to. So maybe kids have McDonald's more than they should, right? So this is just a quick example of the ideal versus real. So yes, society says you moms should be feeding your kids 3 nutritious, healthy, organic meals a day. But in reality, sometimes what is enough is just getting our kids some foods in their belly, and that means that we feed them McDonald's. So this is kind of how I want you to set things up. Obviously not in this little whiteboard form, but in text version. Go ahead and tell me a culture in which you belong, and talk about some of the shared values or beliefs, the norms, rules, customs, this sort of thing.